Hey everyone, Joe here at Joe's Bikes. This is a 2012 Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 with 8,800 miles on it. It's in really nice condition. We'll go through it here. See, it's the black and yellow 6-speed. Real nice design on it. A couple flaws we'll show you. The stickers here have some fading. These are just stickers. It's the only part that's fading on the bike. It is all stock. Plastics are in excellent condition. These are that V4 motor. It's very powerful. Lots of power throughout the entire RPM range. You see there's a little staining on the seat here. That's a seat cover on there. They give you a comfortable riding position with the more upright stance to it. This does have adjustable traction control. It runs very well. We'll get it fired up. Does have 2 keys with it. Nice throttle response. Great looking bike and lots of power at a very reasonable price. And as usual with all our bikes, the price list is the price out the door. We don't do any dealer fees, and we can ship this nationwide. Let us know if you want to check it out.
Thanks for checking out our video. We do have the ability to ship these bikes nationwide, so if you want this bike shipped right to your door, just let us know.
And we do like to be fully transparent, so the price you see listed is always the price out the door. There are 0 dealer fees. If you want to learn more about our business or follow us on YouTube, click one of these links.